Can I actually make my money grow with this 15-15-15 SIP investing strategy? If you're like many of us, you've probably heard about SIPs, or systematic investment plans, as a great way to invest in the stock market. The idea is simple: you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. But, let's be real, there are so many strategies out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I'm excited to share with you a specific strategy that's been gaining popularity, the 15-15-15 rule. It's straightforward, and I'm here to break it down for you. As a new investor, I'm sure you've faced some common challenges. Market volatility can be super scary, and it's easy to feel like you need a lot of money to get started. I've been there too. You might be thinking, I don't know if I can afford to invest, what if I lose everything? Or maybe you're worried that investing is too complicated, and you don't know where to begin. These fears are totally normal, but they don't have to hold you back. The good news is that there are simple, effective strategies out there that can help you get started. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. So, here's how the 15-15-15 strategy works. You invest 15,000 rupees per month, for 15 years, aiming for a 15% annual return. Let's do a quick calculation to see what that could look like. If you invest 15,000 rupees per month for 15 years, that's a total of 27 lakh rupees. Assuming a 15% annual return, your total investment could grow to around 1.05 crore. That's a staggering 39 times return on your investment. The power of compounding is truly amazing, and it's what makes this strategy so effective. By starting early and being consistent, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your wealth over time. But here's the thing, what if you stick to this strategy for a really long time? The numbers get even more impressive. If you were to invest 15,000 rupees per month for 25 years, aiming for that same 15% annual return, your total investment could grow to a whopping 5.5 crore. That's the kind of wealth that can give you financial freedom, and it's within reach if you're willing to start and stick to it. The 15-15-15 strategy is more than just a simple investment plan, it's a path to long-term wealth creation. So, what are the key takeaways from the 15-15-15 strategy? It's simple, it's effective, and it's a great way to create wealth over the long term. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and the market can be unpredictable. But if you're willing to take a long-term view and be consistent, this strategy can be a game changer. If you've had any experience with SIPs or the 15-15-15 strategy, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more investment tips and strategies. I'll see you in the next video.